In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to go from shitty, bad posture to a great, powerful posture. The number one reason that you suffer from bad posture is you sit in bad positions while on your phone, while eating, while working. So the very first thing you need to do is to be aware of your posture when you're sitting and standing. When you work, take a moment and control your posture. Are my shoulders roll forward and inwards? Am I hunching forward, sitting like this, typing at a desk, sitting like this, eating at a table, stuff like that. And then you want to correct yourself. So go from this, straighten your back, push your chest forward, chin up. The correct posture should look something like this. The back of your head, your shoulders, your butt, and ankles should all be aligned on a straight line. So that is how you want to be sitting when either working or eating your food, if possible. Now, let's get into the exercises of what we can do to correct our bad posture as fast as possible. For the very first exercise, we want to go grab some bands. And if you don't have any bands, you can go to your local gym and you can use their cable station. I don't have any bands, so I'm going to demonstrate this using my cable station at home for the purpose of this video. If you are performing this exercise on a cable station, you want to make sure that the cables align roughly with your shoulder height. That is step one. When you are performing these exercises, make sure that you use a resistance level that allows you to perform at least 15 repetitions without sacrificing your form. One of the biggest things that causes bad posture is the forward rolling of the shoulders. So to counteract this, you want to make sure that when you are performing these exercises, you take your arms and shoulders, instead of your arms facing downwards like this, you want to rotate and open up the shoulders like this. Once your arms are rotated to the correct position, you want to grab your cable or band like so. So there's maximum resistance on the one hand. You want to grab opposite cable as well. Before moving into the exercise, make sure your arms are facing upwards and your thumbs are facing out to each side like so. And then the best exercise to correct a bad posture is pulling your arms apart and pushing your chest outwards and forward like so. And again, you want to perform this exercise for at least 20 repetitions, 3 to 4 sets every day until your posture is corrected. Another thing you can do is place the backside of your body against a wall and practice correct posture. One thing you can do to exercise great posture at home is finding a wall and stand up against it. When you're standing up against the wall, if your shoulders and head and butt and ankles are not touching the wall at all 4 points, then your posture is incorrect. So to practice good posture, make sure that your butt hits the wall, your shoulders hits the wall, and the backside of your head hits the wall. This is the ideal posture for you. Now you got all the tools you need to fix your poor posture. Leave a like, subscribe, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.